ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 691। टीका यदिदम अंतरिक्षम इत्यादि प्रश्नांतरम वृत्तानुवाद पूर्वकम उपादत्ते। So now Ashwala is going to ask the next question, which is starting from yadidam antariksham. This prashnantaram, anya prashno, prashnantaram, vrittanuvada purvakam, what is already done, based on that, upadatte. Upadanam means grahanam, upadatte, grihyate, गृह्णाति। मृत्योः कालाद् अतिमुक्तिर व्याख्याता यजमानस्य। यजमानस्य अतिमुक्तिः मृत्योः कालात् अतिव्याख्याता। काल in both the forms, अहोरात्र and पूर्व पक्ष अपर पक्ष। सो अतिमुच्यमानः केनावष्टम्भेन सो सः यजमानः अतिमुच्यमानः केन अवष्टम्भेन परिच्छेद विषयं मृत्युम्। अवष्टम्भेन मीन्स आश्रयेण मृत्युमत्य फलं प्राप्नोति। अतिमुच्यत इति उच्यते। टीका व्याख्यान व्याख्येय भावेन क्रियापदे नेतव्ये। व्याख्यान व्याख्येय भावेन, what is the व्याख्यान पद here? फलं प्राप्नोति is व्याख्यानम, अतिमुच्यते is व्याख्येय. So normally first they give व्याख्येय, then they give व्याख्यान, but here it is given the other way. And this pada in Bhashya, atimuchyamanaha. Atimuchyamanaha is shanach pratyaya for the one who gets atimukti is called atimuchyamanaha, yajamanaha. Now see the mantra. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदिदम् अंतरिक्षम् यजमानः स्वर्गं प्रमाति नो यज्ञस्य ब्रह्मा तद्यज्ञं मनः चन्द्रः मुक्तिः अथ पदः। याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच। Ashwara again brings his attention to him, means Yajnavalkya's attention to himself. यद अंतरिक्षम, this antariksham, akasham, anarambhanam iva, there is no support for it. Kena akramena yajmanah kena akramena yajmanena yajmanah. Anarambhanam means without any support. This akasha which is hanging there without any support. Kena akramena yajmanah swargam lokam akramata iti. How does a person reach Swarga if there is no ladder to go to Swarga from here to there? This is his question. Swargam lokam akramata iti. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Brahmana Ritvija Manasa Chandrena. How many entities are there?
3.
Brahmana Ritvija, they are same. One person only. Manasa Chandrena. Mano vai yajnasya Brahma. Tad yadidam manaha so asau chandraha. And this manaha is Chandrama. Chandrama is the adhishtatra devata over mind. So manaha so asau chandraha. Sa Brahma. Asau. Adas shabda. Pullinga. What is the sutra that has come there? Adasa O Sulopascha. Correct?
Adasaha au sulopascha.
Adasaha. Adasaha O means that Visarga will go or stay. So Adasa au Sulopascha. Asau Chandraha. Sa Brahma sa Muktihi. Brahma means Atharva Veda Ritvik. Here Brahma is not Brahma, as in Brahmaji is Atharva Veda Ritvik. Sa Muktihi sa Ati Muktihi. Iti Ati Mokshaha. With this, all the other mokshas means this attainment of some devata. Ati moksha, ati mukti here means devata prapti. Visarga lopa is there. Vikadatha is there. All of them are varnita. Ati mokshaha means kathita, varnita. Atha sampadaha. Then hereafter there will be sampad upasana. Tika. इति एतत् प्रश्न रूपम उच्यते समानांतर वाक्येन इति यावत् वाक्येन समानांतर वाक्येन. So what is in bracket is desirable. What is given outside the bracket is the original part. After refa, va, ka, ya, e, vakye. None of them, they all will be in atkupvang num. Atkupvang num vyavaye. So even if it is there, rakar will become nakara. I mean, rakar will become nimitta for nakara to nakara. समानांतर में जो है, हाँ, समानांतर वाक्य में इस समस्त पद है. That's why that is a nimitta. Iti yavat. Samanantar Vakya means this current mantra. From the previous mantra, this is the next Vakya. Tad vyachaste yadidam in Bhashya, yadidam prasiddham antariksham akasho anarambanam analambanam iva shabdat asti eva tatra alambanam tattu na jnayate iti abhiprayah. This is on page 692. Yadidam prasiddham antariksham. This is prasiddham, that antariksham akasham is anarambanam, analambanam. Why? Iva shabdat. So anarambanam iva. Anarambanam means analambanam. Why did you translate in this way? Because iva shabdat. Asti eva tatra alambanam. Iva shabdat means there is some alambanam, but we don't know. Tattu na jnayate. So what is the means to go to? It is like somebody shows second floor. It's how do I go there? Where are the stairs? Or whatever other means. Hey, here is the rope. Climb that floor. So like that somebody says, Swarga is there, but how do we go there? Iti abhiprayah. Kena iti prashnasya vishayam aha. Yattu na jnayamanam alambanam tat sarva namna kena iti prachyate. That alambanam which is not known is asked by the question. Sarvanama shabda kena. Prashna vishayam prapanchayati. Anyatha phala praptehe asambhavat. Without that alambanam, phala prapti is not possible. Therefore, what is that alambanam? Alambanam antarena iti yavat. Alambanam antarena means what is the other alambanam? Alambanam antarena means without alambana. Without, anyatha means without alambana, how will we reach? How will we get phala prapti? Prashnartham sankshipya upasamharati. Yena avashtambhena आक्रमेण यजमानः कर्मफलं प्रतिपद्यमानो अतिमुच्यते किम तत् इति प्रश्न विषयः. What is the subject matter of this question? येन अवष्टम्भेन आक्रमेण आक्रमते अनेन इति आक्रमणम्. आक्रमते अनेन इति आक्रमणम्. Why do we say अनेन? Karana. Why did we say Karana here? Because the question, this Vakya says Yena. The Prashna is Kena. So therefore, you, in Vyutpatti, you will have to give Karana Vyutpatti. Yena avashtambena akramena yajmanah karmaphalam pratipadyamano atimuchyate. What is that? Kim tad akramanam iti prashna vishaya. What is that support by which a person will get swargadi loka, devata prapti? Kena akramena yajmanah swargam lokam akramate iti swargam lokam phalam prapnoti atimuchyata ityartha. Swarga loka, sometimes it is also used for higher lokas. Not only Bhu, Bhuva, Swaha, only that is Swarga Loka. Where all Devatas, everything is considered as Swarga only. So Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, everything is Swarga there. Because that is the yogic artha. Swar Sukham Gacchati iti Swarga. So Swarga means they, wherever there is Sukham. So all higher worlds are called Swarga. And Rudhi Artha, if they take, then it is only Tritiya Loka. Bhurbhuva Suva, only that one. फल प्राप्नोति अतिमुच्यते इत्यर्थः. ब्रह्मणा ऋत्विजा मनसा चंद्रेण इति अक्षरन्यासः पूर्ववत्. अक्षरन्यासः टीका. अक्षराणाम अर्थेषु वृत्तिः is called अक्षरन्यास. How do we understand all this? Same as how we have discussed in the earlier. So Brahmana Ritvija, this will become the Adhiyagnya part. And Adhyatma will be Mana. Chandra will be Adideva. See on the next page, Bhashya is given. Tatra Adhyatmam Yajnasya Yajmanasya Yadidam Prasiddham Manaha. Yajnasya Yajmanasya Manaha Adhyatmam. In this way you have to do Anvaya. So Aso Chandro Adidaivam. Chandrama is Adidaiva. And this Brahma, Ritvik, is the Adhiyagnya. Manovai Yajnasya Ityadehe Arthamaha. So this is the meaning of this Manovai Yajnasya. Mano Adhyatmam Chandrama Adidaivatam iti hi prasiddham. Mind is the Adhyatma, Chandrama is the Devata. This is prasiddham. Sa eva Chandrama Brahmartvik Brahma Ritvik. Chandrama is Brahma Ritvik. Tena adibhutam brahmanaha parichinnam rupam adhyatmam cha manasaha etadvayam aparichinnena chandramaso rupena pashyati. This Chandrama is Brahma, is Ritvik. Means the Dhyanam Yajmanasya Manaha should be meditated as Chandrama. And the Brahma Ritvik should be meditated as Chandrama. In this way it is given. Tena adibhutam brahmanaha parichinnam. Brahma is parichinna. Parichinnam rupam. Adhyatmam cha manasaha. Manaha is parichinnam or aparichinna? Parichinna. Etadvayam aparichinnena chandramaso rupena pashyati. Chandrama is also not aparichinna, but for the upasaka, it's a much higher thing. Therefore, aparichinena rupena chandramaso rupena pashyati. So many upasanas are given. Somebody will ask a question, why so many things are there, so many different Devata Prapti, Chandrama, Vayu, Agni, Aditya, ityadi. So different phalam, different people, different sadhakas they want. Until I get enough vairagya from everything, the best way to live my life is through lot of Vaidika karma, Vaidika upasana. Until I get enough vairagya. When we say vairagya means what? Now I am able to dwell on Atma alone. I don't want to dwell on Anatma. Even if mind goes there, it comes back quickly to Atma. That means I have vairagya. If mind goes in Anatma stage and here, there it keeps moving, Karma Upasana is the best sadhana for you. Until I am ready. Then this Shravanam will make sense. In that also, why should I study so many things? Lack of vairagya. Because a person who is directly able to keep his mind on Atma Chintanam, they don't need so many things. but they have so many other things, then they have to evolve from that. So all these are the means. I can't keep my mind in Atma. At least stay within Upanishad. Then Upanishad will talk about Atma Vishaya also. See, not knowing lot of these things, some people sometimes criticize Upanishad or some portions of Upanishad. Nobody ever feels, I don't have Vairagya. I am not able to think about Atma all the time. I have so many desires. I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to accomplish things. So people think Upanishad has dosha. By showing dosha in Upanishad, nothing is going to happen to Upanishad. You will incur more sins. Upanishad is in its own way. There is nothing wrong in Upanishad. And it is catering to, within Upanishad variety also there are students, different kinds. ठीक है. व्यवहार भूमि ही सप्तमी अर्थ है. सप्तमी मीन्स तत्र. दैट तत्र इज इन व्यवहार भूमौ अध्यात्मं यज्ञस्य यजमानस्य इत्यादि. वाक्यार्थम आह तेन इति. तेन तेन चंद्रमसा मनसा अवलंबनेन कर्मफलं स्वर्गं लोकं प्राप्नोति अतिमुच्यत इति अभिप्रायः. तेन चंद्रमसा, by that चंद्रमा, मनसा अवलंबनेन, by the support of the mind, कर्मफलं स्वर्गं लोकं प्राप्नोति अतिमुच्यत इति. कर्मफलं स्वर्गं लोकं प्राप्नोति. He attains कर्मफलं स्वर्गं लोकं. How? Chandramasa. Chandramasa means by the Chandrama upasana, with the help of mind. Manasa avalambanena. Mana is the sadhana. Karma phalam swargam lokam prapnoti atimuchyate iti abhipraya. This is called atimukti. Iti upasamharartham vachanam. Iti shabda or iti pada is for upasamhara. So iti upasamharartham. टीका. तृतीयाभ्याम संबध्यते. तृतीयाभ्याम मीन्स चंद्रमसा ऋत्विजा मनसा ब्रह्मणा. दैट इज तृतीयाभ्याम संबध्यते. दर्शन फलम आह स्वर्गलोक प्राप्ति. तेन वागादीनाम अग्न्यादि भावेन दर्शनम उक्तम. Tena pratika is twice. First Tena pratika is in the second line of Bhashya. Tena adhibhutam brahmana parichinna. And second Tena is Tena chandramasa manasa avalambanena. Vagadinam agnyadi bhavena darshanam uktam. त्वगादीनां तु वायवादि भावेन दर्शनम वक्तव्यम. तत्कथम वक्तव्य शेषे सति उपसंहार उपपत्ति ही. You said Vagadi, they will attain Agni Bhava. Chakshu will attain Surya Aditya Bhava.
Aditya.
And Manaha will get Chandrama Bhava. But Tvagadinam Vayu Bhava, etc., you have to still discuss all this. Tvagadinam tu Vayvadi Bhavena Darshanam Vaktavyam. Darshanam means Upasanam. Vaktavyam. Tat katham Vaktavya Sheshe Sati Upasamhara Upapati. If there is something more to say, why you are doing Upasamhara? Remaining you understand. इति एवं प्रकारा मृत्योः अतिमोक्षाः. मृत्योः अतिमोक्षाः एवं सर्वाणि हि दर्शन प्रकाराणि यज्ञांग विषयाणि अस्मिन् अवसर उक्तानि इति कृत्वा उपसंहार इति अतिमोक्षः. रिमेनिंग ऑल उपासना सर्वाणी ही दर्शन प्रकाराणी यज्ञांग विषयाणी वट एवर इज द यज्ञांग उपासना एनी उपासना विच इज पार्ट ऑफ द यज्ञ यज्ञांग विषयाणी अस्मिन् अवसरे उक्तानि कृत्वा as if they are said uktani kritva means they are not said but as if it is said ऐसा मान करके मनसि निधाय उपसंहार इति अतिमोक्षः means Bhagwan Bhashyakar is not doing upasambhara. Upanishad is doing upasamhara. Veda said, now I have elaborated enough. टीका वागादा उक्त न्यायस्य त्वगादावति देशो अत्र विवक्षितः इत्याह वागादौ उक्त न्याय वाक् चक्षु मनः and prana, right? What are the other previous one? Prana. Ahoratra and Purva Parapaksha. So that Nyaya in Twagadi, it's Atidesha, means we should extend that Nyaya in them also. Iti evam prakara atimokshaha ityarthaha. Evam prakaraha atimokshaha. Now what? Atha sampadaha. Now this sampada concept you should know, because this sampada upasana will come after this. In Brahma Sutra also this is discussed. That's why you should know more. Tika. Atha shabdo darshana prabhed kathana anantaryartha. This atha shabda is to show darshana prabheda. Earlier there were one kind of upasanas. Now there is a different kind of upasana. So upasana bheda is there. This is sampad upasana. And in that atha shabda is anantaryartha. Atha shabda has some 9 meanings. I think once I mentioned. There is a sutra also, I think. Mangala, Anantarya. No. There is for atha shabdas, arthas. Keyam sampanna sampat nama iti pruchati. Keyam sampan nama. Sampat is strilinga shabda. Ka iyam sampan nama. I should have asked the question how many padas are there and which ones. Iti pruchati. In Bhashya. Atha sampadaha. Atha aduna sampada uchyante. Sampada uchyante. Uchyante or uchyate? Why? Bahuvachana is there. Huh? Now what is sampan? Sampat means. Sampan nama kenachit samanyena agnihotraadinam karmanam phalavatam tat phalaya sampadanam sampat phalasyaiva va sarvotsahena phala sadhananusthane prayatatam kenachit vaigunyena asambhavaha. Sampat, what is sampat? Sampan nama kenachit samanyena agnihotraadinam karma. Some simple agnihotra karma is there, which will give some sadharana phalam. Tat phalaya sampadanam is called sampat. Actually, the Tikakar explains little elaborately. Uttaramaha kenachit mahatam phalavatam ashwamedhadi karmanam karmatvadina samanyena alpiyassu karmasu vivakshita phala siddhyartham संपत्ति ही संपद उच्यते. What is संपद? महताम फलवताम. Ashwamedhadi will give mahat phalam. Ashwamedhadi karmanam कर्मत्वादिना सामान्येन. Ashwamedha karma and Agnihotra karma, both of them have karmatva as samana. Ashwamedha has mahat phalam. Agnihotra alpiya phalam. So mahatam phalvatam samanyena alpiyasu karmasu vivakshita phala siddhyartham. Vivakshita phala means Ashwamedha phala. So what is Sampad Upasana? In Agnihotra karma to have Ashwamedha karma drishti. I am doing Agnihotra, but I am thinking I am doing Ashwamedha. Means I am constantly thinking of Ashwamedha activities during that time. So then what will happen? That karma will bring mahat phala. This is called sampat. Vivakshita phala siddhyartham sampattihi sampat uchyate. यथा यथाशक्ति अग्निहोत्रादि निर्वर्तनेन अश्वमेधादि मया निर्वर्त्यत इति ध्यानम संपत् इत्यर्थः. यथाशक्ति अग्निहोत्रादि निर्वर्तनेन, person is doing small yaga with agnihotra karma only, not even yaga, but his thinking is I am doing Ashwamedha. So dhyanam is important. Karma is not. Upasana is more important. It will give greater phala. So what chintanam you are doing, that is more important. Yam bhavam darshayed yasya tam bhavam satupashyati. If the chintanam is of dvaitam, you will attain dvaitam. Yadva फलस्यैव देवलोकादेहे उज्ज्वलत्वादि सामान्येन आज्यादि आहुतिषु संपादनम संपत्तित्या. Or the other way of doing this upasanam is thinking of the phalam, devaloka. So we say devaloka, which is the phalam of whatever Ashwamedha, etc. What is there in that devaloka? Ujjwalatva. Ujjwalatva means, literal meaning of ujjwala means is bright. Too bright is not like here at night when they keep the lights on. All this because of the Janmashtami now. Night time also it is too bright. Ujjwala means where there is more sukham, where there is greater vikalpa. You want this or this or this. You can do so many things. Like, let's say, Pushpavatika are there. In Swarga, there will be some. So you want to go to this part of the Pushpavatika. Only one place is there. You can go only there. Everybody will show up there. So Swarga is where there are more vikalpas. Sukham is there. So that is Ujjwalatva. Ujjwalatvadi samanyana. So I am meditating on those aspects where when I do ajyadi ahuti, when I am making some offering or something, but thinking is of that greatness of the phala. That is called sampat. Ityaha phalasyaiva va sarvotsahena phala sadhana anusthane prayatatam kenachit vaigunyena asambhavaha. Phalasya eva dhyanam sampat. Either in some karma, lower karma, I do higher karma dhyanam, or phalasya dhyanam. Both are called sampat. Sampad upasana. And when will one do? See in Tika. Sampad Anushthan Avasaram Adarshayati. When is the opportunity to do Sampad Upasana? Sampad Anushtanasya Avasara. When will I do that? So he shows that Sarvotsahena Phalasadana Anusthane Prayatatam Kenachit Vaigunyena Asambhava. When a person is engaged in the karma with all vigor and excitement, but because of some vaigunya in karma, some shortfall came. One priest is less, or some dravya is less, something happened. Vaigunya, 9 number tippani, trutya, some truti is there, something, some mistake, or vigna. That is called vaigunya. So now, what should we do? So he says, you do sampad. Now is the opportunity to do sampad upasana. Asambhavo anushthanasya yada iti shesha. So kenachid vaigunyena asambhavo anushthanasya yada anushthanasya asambhavo tada sampad upasana avasara. Then at that time sampad anusthana avasara is there. कर्मिणाम एव संपद अनुष्ठाने अधिकार इति दर्शयितुम आहिताग्निः सन इति उक्तम. सीन भाष्य तदिदानीम आहिताग्निः सन यत्किंचित कर्म अग्निहोत्रादीनां यथा संभवम आदाय आलंबनीकृत्य कर्मफल विद्वत्तायां सत्यां यत् कर्मफल कामो भवति तदेव संपादयति. So that person who wants to do sampad upasana, that person who can do it, he has to be ahitagnihi. Ahitogni yena saha ahitagnihi. So he has done agni adhanam. Ahita means he has done agni adhanam. The day he became grahastha, from that day there is garhapatya agni, all the agni. Then every day he is doing. That person is eligible for sampad upasana. Not anybody who is walking on the street suddenly says, I want to do sampad upasana. That's what you see. Karminam eva sampad anusthane adhikara. Iti darshaitum ahitagnihi san iti uktam. This is wonderful. When we see something, this is so easy, I can do Agnihotra and I will get Ashwamedha Phalam. I want to do this. You see this line? Like in Kedarnath, when you want to go up, so at that time there is a long line. That line is only for to go to office and get some ID thing, So people just walk. I want to reach up there. Very good. Go at the end of the line. Means if I have done this kind of karma throughout my life, then sometime when I am not able to do something because of Vaigunya, Karma Vaigunya, then I am told you can do Sampad Upasana. Not suddenly throughout my life I don't do anything and last minute I want to do only Sampad Upasana. This is Vedas are so good. Everybody has to go through the whole process in order to attain moksha. There is no shortcut. You have to go through everything. Vairagya means this much vairagya you have to have. But I don't have. How many janmas I'll have to go through? As many as you want. Vairagya, this much only you will need. Agnihotradinam iti nirdharane shashti. Because tad idanim ahitagnihi san kinchit karma agnihotradinam. That agnihotradinam is nirdharane shashti. Means it is doing pada nirdharanam. Madhye. अग्निहोत्रादीनां मध्ये यथा संभवम आदाय आलम्बनीकृत्य कर्मफल विद्वत्तायां सत्यां यथा संभवम आदाय. So whatever is the agnihotra that is possible, doing it, taking support of that, karmaphala vidvattayam satyam, and when there is the knowledge of the karmaphala, yat karmaphala kamo bhavati tadeva sampadayati. Whatever karmaphala kama he becomes, he will get that. टीका यथा संभवम मीन्स वर्णानुश्रम अनुरूपम इति यावत्, अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्णाश्रम. आदाय इति अस्य व्याख्यानम आलम्बनीकृत्य इति. आदाय मीन्स आलम्बनीकृत्य. न केवलं कर्मित्वमेव संपद अनुष्ठान अनुष्ठातुः अपेक्षते. नॉट ओनली कर्मी विल गेट संपद अनुष्ठानम, बट तत्फल विद्यावत्वम अपि. द वन हु नोज द phalam of karma, that karma phala vidya vidvattayam satyam, even if that is there, you will get the sampad upasana phalam. Tad eva karma phalam eva. Tadeva means tadeva sampadayati means karma phalam eva sampadayati ityarthah. Om purnamadah purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.